Students, chapter 14 फैक्टराइजेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे। उसमें आपको पढ़ना है एल्जेब्रिक टर्म्स आर फॉर्म एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फैक्टर्स, फैक्टराइजेशन यूजिंग सिस्टेमेटिक मेथड्स, डिवीजन ऑफ एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन। आपके सिलेबस में है फैक्टर्स ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, फैक्टर्स ऑफ algebraic expressions, what is factorization by finding common factors, by rearranging terms, by using appropriate identities. Division of algebraic expressions, division of monomial by monomial, division of binomial by monomial, division of binomial by binomial. Finding errors in mathematical statements. Now you have to remember following points. The method of writing a given algebraic expression as the product of two expressions is known as the factorization of the expressions. Ax plus ay plus az is equal to a is common multiplied by x plus y plus z. X square plus ax plus bx plus ab. From first two terms x is common, x plus a, plus second, third and fourth term b is common, in bracket x plus a. So we get answer x plus a and x plus b. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, in bracket a plus b bracket over whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to, in bracket a minus b bracket over whole square. A square minus b square is equal to, first bracket a minus b and second bracket a plus b. 1 is a factor of each term. 1 is a factor of each term. Now common methods of factorization by finding common factors, rearranging terms, by getting idea of proper identities. Fourth, factorization by splitting the middle term. In first bracket x plus a and in second bracket x plus b. If we multiply both bracket, x multiplied by x plus b plus a multiplied by x plus b, we get x square plus bx plus ax plus ab is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. Middle term is equal to bracket में a plus b bracket over multiplied by x, that is sum of constants multiplied by x. Last term is equal to ab, it is equal to product of constants, that is first bracket x plus a and multiplied by second bracket x plus b, we get x square plus sum of constant multiplied by x plus product of constants. In division of a polynomial by a monomial, either carry out the division by dividing each terms of the polynomial by the monomial or by the common factor method. In division of polynomial by polynomial, factorize both the polynomials and cancel their common factors. Now tips to find errors from algebraic expressions. चेक साइन ऑफ ईच टर्म, हर एक टर्म जो है उसकी साइन चेक करना है. एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइक टर्म्स ओनली, लाइक टर्म जो है उसका ही एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है. थर्ड, एक्सपोनेंट्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स चेंज ओनली ड्यूरिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ टर्म्स. एक्सपोनेंट मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन के दौरान ही चेंज होता है. यूज आइडेंटिटी वेयर इट इज पॉसिबल, जहाँ पर आइडेंटिटी का यूज करना है वो वहाँ पर आप कर सकते हो. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 14.1 एग्जाम्पल 1, फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन टर्म्स. फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन टर्म्स. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 12x multiplied by 36. Factor of 12x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. And factor of 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 12x और 36 दो टर्म्स दिया है, दोनों का हमने फैक्टर्स किया. नाउ कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12x एंड 36 इज इक्वल टू 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 दोनों में कॉमन है. It is equal to 12. It is equal to 12. Common factor is 12. Second example, 2y and 22xy. Factors of 2y is equal to 2 multiplied by y. Factors of 22xy is equal to 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by x multiplied by y. Now common is 2 and y. So common factor of 2y and 22xy is equal to 2 multiplied by y. We get common factor is equal to 2y. Third example, 14pq and 28p square q square. Factor of 14pq is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by p multiplied by q. Factor of 28p square q square is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by p multiplied by p multiplied by q multiplied by q. So common factor of 14pq and 28p square q square is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by p multiplied by q. It is equal to 14pq. Now next example, 2x, 3x square and 4. Factor of 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by x. Factor of 3x square is equal to 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x. And factor of 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. So common factors of 2x, 3x square and 4 is equal to 1 because there is nothing common in 3 terms. Now fifth example, 6abc, 24ab square and 12a square b. Factor of 6abc is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by c. 24ab square is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by b. Factor of 12a square b is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by b. So common factors of 6abc, 24ab square and 12a square b is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b. It is equal to 6ab. Next example, 16x cube minus 4x square, 32x. Factor of 16x cube is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Factor of minus 4x square is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x. Factor of 32x is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 x. Now common factors of 16x cube minus 4x square and 32x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x, and it is equal to 4x. Next example, 8, 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. Factor of 10pq is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by p multiplied by q. Factor of 20qr is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by q multiplied by r. Factor of 30rp is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by r multiplied by p. So common factors of 10pq, 20qr and 30rp is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, and it is equal to 10. Now 8 example, 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. Now factor of 3x square y cube is equal to 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y multiplied by y. Factor of 10x cube y square is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. Factor of 6x square y square z is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y multiplied by z. So common factors of 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z is equal to x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y is equal to x square y square. Now example number 2, factorize for the following expressions. First is 7x minus 42. Factor of 7x is equal to 7 multiplied by x. Factor of 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So 7 is common in both terms. 7 is common in both terms. So 7x minus 42 is equal to 7 multiplied by x minus 6. Second example, 6p minus 12q. Factor of 6p is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by p. Factor of 12q is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by q. So common is 2 multiplied by 3. It is equal to 6. It's common in both terms. So 6p minus 12q is equal to 6 is common multiplied by p minus 29. P minus 2q. P minus 2q. Now third example, 7a square plus 14a. Factor of 7a square is equal to 7 multiplied by a multiplied by a. Factor of 14a is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by a. Common is 7 multiplied by a is equal to 7a. Is common in both terms. So 7a square plus 14a is equal to 7a multiplied by a plus 2. Next example 4, minus 16z plus 20z cube. Factor of minus 16z is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by z. Factor of 20z cube is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by z multiplied by z multiplied by z. And common is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by z. It is equal to 4z. Is common in both terms. So minus 16z plus 20z cube is equal to 4z common, and in bracket minus 4 plus 5z whole square. Now fifth example, 20 L square m plus 30 ALM. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 multiplied by L multiplied by L multiplied by M, first term, plus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by A multiplied by L multiplied by M, second term. 10LM is the common. So, and in bracket 2L plus 3A. Answer is 10LM multiplied by 12 plus 3A. Now, 7 example, 6 example, 5x square y minus 15xy square is equal to 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y minus 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. 5xy is common, so 5xy multiplied by x minus 3y. 7 example, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. 5 is common, so 5 multiplied by 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. 8 example, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. 4a is common, so 4a multiplied by minus a plus b minus c. 9th example, x square yz plus xy square z plus xy square. xyz is common, so xyz multiplied by x plus y plus z. 10th example, ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. xy is common, so xy multiplied by ax plus by plus cz. Now example number 3, factorize. First example, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Now in first two terms, x common, so x bracket में x plus y plus 8 common in third and fourth bracket term. 8 is common, so x plus y. Now x plus y and x plus 8 is the answer. Second example, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus z. From first two terms, 3x is common, so 3x multiplied by 5y minus 2. Now last two term, 1 is common, so plus 1 multiplied by 5y minus 2. So we get 5y minus 2 and in second bracket 3x plus 1. Third example, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. From first two terms, x is common, so we get x plus b. And last two terms minus y common, so y multiplied by a plus b. We get answer a plus b and in second bracket x minus y. Now next example, fourth, 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. It is equal to 15pq plus 9q plus 25p plus 15. 3q is the common from first two terms, so 3q multiplied by 5p plus 3 plus 5 is common, 5p plus 3. So we get answer 5p plus 3 and in second bracket 3q plus 5. Fifth example, z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So z minus 7 minus xyz plus 7xy. Arranging. Now first two terms, 1 is common, z minus 7 minus from last two terms xy is common in bracket x minus 7. Z minus 7. So answer is in first bracket z minus 7 and in second bracket 1 minus xy. Now example number 14.2. Example 1. Factorize the following expressions. First, a square plus 8a plus 16 it is equal to first term square means a square plus 2 into first term and last term, it is equal to 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 4 plus whole square of last term, it is equal to 4 square. Second example, p square minus 10p plus 25. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, उसमें आंसर हमें मिला a प्लस 4 होल स्क्वायर। उसी तरह ये सेकंड एग्जांपल करना है, p का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई p मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 प्लस सेकंड टर्म का स्क्वायर 5 का स्क्वायर एंड वी गेट आंसर p माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर। थर्ड एग्जांपल 25m स्क्वायर प्लस 30m प्लस 9। 25m स्क्वायर मीन्स 5m होल स्क्वायर plus middle term 2 multiplied by first term means 5m and last term means 3, we get 30m plus last term whole square, it is 3 and whole square, so we get answer 5m plus 3 bracket over whole square. Fourth example, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. So 49 is the 7 square, so 7y square plus 2 multiplied by first bracket 7y multiplied by last bracket 6z plus last term whole square 6z whole square. We get 7y plus 6z whole square. Next example, fifth, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. 4 is common, so in bracket x square minus 2x plus 1. It is equal to 4 multiplied by x whole square minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. And it is equal to 4 and in bracket x minus 1 whole square. Sixth example, 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square. 121 means 11 square, so 11b square minus 2 multiplied by first term 11b, last term 4c plus last term whole square, it is equal to 4c whole square. So we get 11b minus 4c bracket over whole square. Seventh example, l plus m whole square minus 4lm. So expansion of L plus M whole square, it is equal to L square plus 2LM plus M square minus 4LM. We get L square plus 2LM because 2LM minus 4LM, it is equal to plus 2LM minus 2LM plus M square. So L square minus 2 multiplied by first term L, second term M plus second term whole square M square. We get answer L minus M bracket over whole square. Now 8th example, a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. So a square whole square first term whole square plus 2 multiplied by first term and last term, it is equal to 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by b square plus last term whole square, it is equal to b square whole square. We get a square plus b square whole square. A square plus b square bracket over whole square. Now example 2, factorize. First example, 4p square minus 9q square. 4p square is the square of 2p and 9q square is the square of 3q. Now both are squares and there is negative sign, so we get 2p minus 3q and in second bracket 2p plus 3q. Second example, 63a square minus 112b square. 7 is common, so we get 7 multiplied by 9a square minus 16b square. But 9a square is the square of 3a and 16b square is the square of 4b. So 7 and in bracket 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. Both are square and negative sign, so one time plus and one time minus. So we get 7 multiplied by 3a minus 4b and 3a plus 4b. Third example, 49x square minus 36. 49x square is the 7x square and 36 is the square of 6. Both are square and minus sign, so one time plus, one time minus, we get answer 7x minus 6 and 7x plus 6. Now fourth example, 16x raised to 5 minus 144x cube. 16x cube is common, we get in bracket x square minus 9. But x square is the square of x and 9 is the square of 3. So 16x cube and in bracket x square minus 3 whole square. So we get 16x cube, one time plus, one time minus, that is x minus 3 and x plus 3. Next example, L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. First of all, we have to expand both terms. So both are perfect square and minus sign, so one time plus and one time minus. It is equal to L plus m first bracket plus L minus m second bracket, and in second bracket L plus m minus L minus m. It is equal to L plus m plus L minus m in first bracket, and in second bracket L plus m minus L plus m. And in first bracket mm cancel, 2L is remaining. And in second bracket LM cancel, LL cancel, so 2M we get. Now 2 to the 4, LM is our answer. Now sixth example, 9x square y square minus 16. 9x square y square is the square of 3xy and 16 is the square of 4. So 3xy whole square minus 4 square. One time minus, one time plus. So 3xy minus 4 and 3xy plus 4. Eighth example, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. So first bracket is the expansion of x minus y whole square minus z square. Now one time plus, one time minus. So x minus y minus z in first bracket, and in second bracket x minus y plus z. If we open the bracket, then we get answer x minus y minus z, and in first bracket and second bracket x minus y plus z. Now eighth example, 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. So first of all, 25a square minus 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square, we have put it in the bracket. So 25a square is the square of 5a and 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square is the square of 2b minus 7c whole square. Now both are square and one time minus and one time plus. So 5a minus in bracket 2b minus 7c, 5a plus in bracket 2b minus 7c. If we open the bracket, we get 5a minus 2b plus 7c in first bracket, 5a plus 2b minus 7c in second bracket. Now homework is factorize first example 12x plus 36, second example 22y minus 33z, and third example 14pq plus 35pqr. Now another example for homework, you have solved example of textbook up to 12.1. Now we will start another example in next lecture. Okay.